Hello everyone, it's me Dopeness. As you all know that I have bought a new iPad Pro for my gaming. Although it was open already, unboxed and everything. I'm just gonna do a quick unbox again, or you can say re-unbox. I'm gonna do it right now, so everything is open like I said before, so don't judge if you see anything, weird, just like out of the box. So first thing first, open the box. One of the most best part, I guess, because it takes patience if you hold this lid and the bottom part, it goes off smoothly. But I don't want to waste that much time, so I'm just gonna pull it from either side. It's gonna take a little bit of time, but here you go. There you go. iPad Pro here. This is 2020 model iPad Pro M1 chipset. It has two names, by the way. You can call it an iPad Pro 2020 or iPad Pro M1. So this is the first ever iPad Pro came with the M1 chipset, which was also used in MacBook Air, same year 2020 M1. So yeah, iPad. Ooh, looks good. I bought this on the silver one because space gray? Yeah, it's kind of common. Other than that, a booklet and sticker. I'm just gonna take out sticker. Oh, there you go. Where's sticker? There you go, sticker. I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but wherever I'll put, I'm just gonna make sure. I'm just gonna pretend that it's an Apple product. Charger, USB Type C to USB Type C. This is the one of the best thing that Apple ever did. That they removed the lightning cable. I'll show you on my old iPad. This was from the old iPad. They used to have this lightning cable, which was okay, I guess. But now you can use your USB Type C and put it on computer like that. This is the old one. Oh, thank goodness. Sorry about that. Okay, I'm back. So yeah, this one's the old iPad, which had lightning. But now they've removed it and Type C here. Charger 20 watt. If you can see, wait. Yeah, 20 watt. It's somewhere there. I think you cannot see. Yeah, 20 watt right here. All right, let's go back to the main thing. Wait. This is iPad Pro 128 GB. I think 128 GB is enough for a streaming purpose because I'm not gonna play like the whole game in the library, but yeah, some of the best. And maybe I'll play Call of Duty later. I don't know. I'm just thinking. So this is why I bought it for, so I can play more than one game in stream. Obviously, there you go. There's a smudge over here because yeah, like I said, it was open and everything. Oh, my face now. I pre-installed the tempered glass here because safety first. Quad speaker, 1, 2 here and 2 on the other side. Type C, just like in the regular smartphone, which is good. Apple logo. 2 camera. I think there's 2 camera, 3 camera. Yeah, 2 camera. 12 megapixel and 12 megapixel. I think wide lens, and the ultra wide is 10 megapixel. This is the lidar sensor on the right side. You cannot see it, but yeah, it's there over here. Flash, power button. Looks so sleek compared to my old one. Wait. No, wait. I think it's same, but yeah, look at the edges. The only difference is the edges. This the old one has like curved, and the new one has the sharp like this. I don't know what to say. What do you call it? I don't know. Just let me know. Okay, let me open this. I'm not gonna go into the deep specification. You can just Google it. But yeah, most important thing, M1 chipset, most overpowered chipset, you can say. Compete with the normal, the PC compared to I think 2-3 PC. Face ID there, I can use it. There you go. Unlocked. 120 hertz display, which is good. And on PUBG it supports 90 FPS, but I would recommend you to not to play on that because because your device will heat up. So yeah. Alright, that's it. You can see how smooth it is, you know. Other than that, everything is good. Alright, that was the quick unboxing and little review. I hope you love it, and make sure to follow the follow my page, like and share as much as you can. I'm gonna be streaming like every day, same time, evening time, around 3. Yeah, so yeah, be there. And I hope you enjoy this unboxing video. I'm not good with it, but I'm trying. Old device. Never mind. Alright. Take care, everyone. See you on the stream.